Friends, this is the video to learn how to fix and resolve problem about Alt Tab black screen delay. So to resolve this error, you have to open settings. Now underneath system, here you will get the focus assist. I have just only focus. You have to find out focus assist. And once you find out, here you will get setting rules. So under rules, all the option make disabled. I don't have that option, but you will find that one. So make these all options disabled. And if you have just focus, so open notifications and click on do not disturb automatically. Here underneath this setting, make an uncheck during this time, uncheck when duplicating your display, uncheck when playing a game or when using an app in full screen mode, and uncheck for the first hour after a Windows feature update. So make these all options disabled, then exit and restart. So this is the setting you can try to resolve that problem. Thanks for watching.